Who follow the channel knows that I try different times to make the extra virgin olive oil with bad result. So this time, instead of throw our olives, trying to do the oil, we will preserve them in the salt. Very easy. So if you have also small quantity like this one, you can do it. So first of all, we need to check the amount of our olives. I already checked it, is 500 grams. After, we need to wash them and dry them. And now, with another kitchen towel, we dry them. Like I mentioned already before, these olives are 500 grams. With 500 grams of olives, you need 60 grams of salt. Sea salt without iodium, the fine one. Now we put the olives a little bit to create a layer, a little bit of salt, olive, salt, and we cover with a dish. Put all the salt, we cover with a dish, and we should wait more or less 7 days. What will happen during this day? The salt will remove the water from inside the olives. This water from the olives is very bitter. This is why we are doing this. You will notice also the color will be a little bit brown. So every 2 days maybe you should remove the water and mix the olive again with the salt. But don't worry, I will show you in a future days. After 48 hours, you can see a little bit of water from the olives. Don't worry, now we will mix them again with the salt and we wait before removing the extra water. After 1 week, more or less, all the salt is melted. So let's test one of them to see if they are still bitter or not. Yes, they are still bitter. So now I remove the water. I add other 60 grams of salt. I mix again and see you in 1 week. After 1 month, sorry, but I forgot about them in the corner. 15 days will be enough. We need to remove them from the water like this. We put in a jar and we should cover them with 50% of vinegar and 50% of water. The quantity depends on the amount of olives and the dimension of the jar. So the important that you do 50-50. Like this you can preserve them 6 months. For the tasting we should wait at least 1 week. But during this time remember to check them because more or less they are dry. Now they will start to absorb the water and the vinegar and they will swallow a little bit and the water and the vinegar level will drop. So be careful, they should stay always in the water and vinegar. So I will update you or for the tasting or for the top up. Let's test them, and also testing with the beer, homemade beer, improve everything. So I dress them only with extra virgin olive oil and little bit of oregano, but you can put chili, you can put garlic, you can put pepper, the spices that you like it. Spectacular. Let's test them with the homemade beer. Even better. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice, some suggestion, you want to share some recipe with me about the preservation of the olives, maybe this year I will be not able to make the video, but I can do it next year. Bye bye. Spectacular. The vinegar is very, very soft. You can taste a little bit at the end, but with the olive oil is a good combination. Spectacular. Bye bye.